Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. If you are searching for the best handheld electric mixer to make cooking faster and easier, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about a powerful and versatile kitchen tool that can handle many tasks with ease. Let's get started. This is the Ovente Immersion Handheld Electric Mixer. It is designed to simplify your time in the kitchen. Instead of using multiple appliances, this all-in-one mixer helps you blend, whisk, chop, and mix with just one device. It comes with a strong 300-watt motor that gives you enough power to prepare sauces, dips, purees, protein shakes, and smoothies smoothly and quickly. The Ovente Immersion Handheld Electric Mixer includes several useful attachments. You get a whisk attachment that is perfect for whipping cream or beating eggs. It helps you create light and fluffy textures without extra effort. There is also a BPA-free chopper bowl that works like a mini food processor. You can chop nuts, chocolates, berries, and other small ingredients in seconds. This saves time and keeps your counter less crowded. The package also includes a 24-ounce beaker, which is great for measuring and blending liquids directly in the same container. Another important feature is the adjustable speed control. The Ovente Immersion Handheld Electric Mixer offers 2 speed settings along with a pulse-activated sensor. This gives you better control over your blending. If you need a gentle mix, you can use the lower speed. If you want faster blending, switch to the higher setting. The pulse feature helps you control texture more precisely, especially when working with delicate ingredients. Comfort is also a big part of the design. The mixer has a non-slip ergonomic handle that feels secure in your hand. This makes it easier to control while blending. The slim stainless steel immersion shaft fits easily into different bowls, pots, and beakers. You do not need to transfer food into a special container. You can blend directly where you cook, which saves time and reduces extra dishes. Cleaning is simple as well. The detachable parts, such as the shaft, whisk, chopper, and beaker, are dishwasher safe or can be rinsed quickly under running water. The motor body can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. All parts snap apart and back together easily, so you do not struggle during cleanup. For added peace of mind, the Ovente Immersion Handheld Electric Mixer comes with a 1-year warranty that covers defects in materials and workmanship. It is also backed by United States-based customer service, which makes support easy and reliable. Overall, the Ovente Immersion Handheld Electric Mixer combines strong 300-watt power, multiple attachments, adjustable speed control, ergonomic design, and easy cleaning in one practical kitchen tool. It helps you prepare meals faster and with less effort. Upgrade your kitchen routine today. Check the price link in the description to learn more about the Ovente Immersion Handheld Electric Mixer. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.